Howdy friends and neighbors, it's old Dale Collins coming to you again today on behalf of Presidential Gardens Backyard Nursery. Today we're talking about our blackberry varieties that we offer, and we're talking about a very historic variety today that we was able to get our hands on a few years ago back, and we've been growing them ever since, and we finally got them to where that we could have enough babies and small plants to offer them to our customers, friends and neighbors. And I'm of course talking about the SNOWBANK blackberries. They are a white blackberry, so you'll want to listen up to the rest of this video and get this important information as we present it about this historic and blackberry variety, white blackberry variety I might add, that almost went extinct but is making a comeback today. SNOWBANK white blackberry plants produce snow white berries that are kind of a milky white in color, but have all the flavor of a regular and traditional blackberry. The drupelets are like tiny pearls and are simply beautiful little fruits. The berries stay whiter than other similar varieties of berries as they ripen, and with much, much sweeter flavor. Being a white blackberry, they lack the dark juice that stains fingers, clothes, and your tongue. The canes do have thorns, but are cold tolerant and disease resistant. The SNOWBANK white blackberry was released in 1916 by the famous plant breeder Luther Burbank as an improved version of his original white blackberry, the iceberg. Besides being one of the sweetest blackberry varieties out there, they are unique and will be a talking point and a focal point of interest in your yard or garden. And you may be the only person to have them in your county, your city, or perhaps just on your neighborhood or block. The SNOWBANK white blackberries are a heavy producer of small white blackberries that are extremely sweet. Some folks advertise them as the sweetest blackberry out there. Mature SNOWBANK white blackberries plants will get anywhere from 4 to 6 feet tall, and they grow in USDA Hardiness Grow Zones 5 through 8. They do best in full sun, and they prefer well-drained, loamy soil. They have a fast growth rate. They are normally harvested in late July and take 1 to 2 years to bear fruit. Being they are a blackberry, they are self-fertile and no additional blackberry plants are required for pollination and for the production of fruit. Well friends, I'm back again. Old Dale Collins. Just want to wind this video up with them 5 important things that you can do to help this channel. That is to hit the like button, to comment if you'd like, to hit the share button, and share this information out there to people that it can be a blessing to. Hit the subscribe button. I want to personally invite you to be a part of this channel and growing group. And then hit that bell notification button, ding, 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 so that you will be one of the very first to get notified when we come out with some additional videos. Thanks for watching.